All right, it's Friday, March 22nd. It's following up on the SPY. You can see here it's taking out the lows of the pre-market as anticipated. This is a key inflection point. I really want to watch, these options closely. I bought the 525 puts at 428. They just hit 460. So I'm going to be pretty nimble here at this inflection point because I'm just not convinced, after watching all the choppiness in the morning, what's really going to develop here. Is it going to really follow through? If it just pauses here and continues lower, then we could be filling in this gap nicely on the daily chart. But it's possible that after kind of a choppy opening, we're taking out liquidity and, holding in here. So you can kind of treat it at no risk right now. You can scale out a little bit here. And just as long as it holds the midpoint of this first bar kind of up in here, then we can withstand a little pause and continue lower. But tough to say, I thought it was high probability, after the first bar heading lower, we were going to take out that area first. Now we get to see really what unfolds here in the morning trade. If we just hold in here nicely, then we could be continuing lower. There's a nice gap to fill in here on way down. And as long as it holds the midpoint of that first bar, that's what it kind of did on bar number 3 here, then I think, we're continuing lower. So nice trade on the SPY. It's no risk right now, however you want to treat it. Let's just see that 15-minute price structure. Kind of, if everything works out, it will take one push down, have some kind of pause, and make a second push down somewhere into this gap down here. If it really fails big, then we're going to be, hitting this target down here and possibly closing with a shooter bar on the week. But, it's tough to say as well what's really going to happen here with one day to go in the week. So a lot depends on the price action at this point. But now, given the fact you bought some puts here, and it's breaking and it's hit its target, you can kind of treat it at no risk. If it fails in here and comes back up, break even. If not, then we'll see how much lower it wants to go for the rest of the day.